The Satanic
Oh,
Nightjar.
I saw that. I almost got a picture of that one, but I went with this guy instead.
That one's pretty cute too. This looks like an angry old lady and an owl mixed together. The Satanic Nightjar. I don't know. I don't get it. The Tinkling Kisticola.
The Tinkling Kisticola?
Mm-hmm.
Really?
Yeah. Like this
Tinkling.
list keeps just going on and on and on, but I'll do one more. Let me find my favorite. There we go. The Tiny Sky Tyrant.
The Tiny Sky Tyrant? Is this like a Napoleon complex bird?
I guess so. He's from Brazil, French Guinea, Guyana, Suriname, Venezuela.